The human respiratory system is a vital biological system responsible for breathing and gas exchange, supplying oxygen to the body and removing carbon dioxide. Breathing begins at the nose, where air enters through the nostrils. Inside the nasal cavity, the air is filtered by tiny hairs, warmed and moistened by the mucous membrane. The nasal cavity is about 5 to 7 centimeters long and prepares air for safe entry into the lungs. From the nose, air passes into the pharynx, a muscular tube approximately 12 to 14 centimeters in length. The pharynx serves as a common pathway for both air and food and directs air downward toward the voice box. Next, air enters the larynx, also called the voice box. The larynx contains the vocal cords. When air passes through these cords, they vibrate and produce sound. Changes in tension and position of the vocal cords allow us to speak in different pitches. The larynx is about 4 to 5 centimeters long and is protected by the epiglottis during swallowing. Air then moves into the trachea, a flexible tube about 10 to 12 centimeters long. The trachea is supported by 16 to 20 C-shaped cartilaginous rings, which keep the airway open while allowing flexibility during breathing. The trachea divides into 2 bronchi, one entering each lung. The right bronchus is wider and shorter, while the left is narrower and longer. Inside the lungs, bronchi branch repeatedly into smaller tubes called bronchioles, which lack cartilage and are less than 1 millimeter in diameter. At the end of bronchioles are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. The human lungs contain approximately 700 million alveoli, providing a vast surface area for gas exchange. Each alveolus is surrounded by capillaries where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide is removed. A special fluid called surfactant lines the alveoli, preventing them from collapsing and making breathing easier. The lungs themselves are spongy organs. The right lung has 3 lobes, while the left lung has 2 lobes to accommodate the heart. During breathing, the lungs expand and contract smoothly, allowing continuous oxygen supply essential for life.